Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new webhook in Wise. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Wise and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture and profile name at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that or click on that profile name, and now you can see the settings option at the third. So you need to select that settings option and you will be redirected to the settings section, where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the webhooks. So once you find it, you can see just down below of this webhooks there is written you don't have any active webhooks. So you need to select that option, and you can see two options pops out. First one is create a new webhook and another is view documentation. So if you want to read more about the webhooks, then simply click on the view documentation and you will be able to read a documentation of Wise successfully from here. And let's get back to the application and simply click on the create a new webhook, and yeah, you'll be able to create a new webhook from here successfully. So you simply need to enter your name over here, let's say my name, and your URL in here, and you need to select your events from here. There are three options. First one is transfer update events, and another one is balance deposit events, and last one is transfer issue events. So if you want to test your webhook, simply click on this one, and if you want to create your new webhook, then simply click on the create webhook button, and yeah, you will be able to create your new webhook successfully. So basically this is how you can create a new webhook in Wise. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.